Hey guys, I'm Ria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yes, monsoon is here and we all are so much excited. But इस मौसम में हमें कुछ चीज़ों का थोड़ा खास ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. And in today's video, I will show you what to do and what to not in this monsoon season. And I will give you some styling tips too. So let's get started. Do not wear white. See, I know many of you love wearing white, but please avoid white outfit in rainy days because white turns to get transparent when it comes in contact of water and your innerwear become visible, and at that time you will really feel uncomfortable due to this. So what to do is wear dark colors like black, red, blue, maroon and many more, which will not turns to get transparent on getting wet. Do not wear denims. Denim is a thick material, so it will absorb lots of water on getting wet and makes us discomfortable while sitting, moving or anything. Because on getting wet, it completely sticks to our skin. And we all know denim takes so much time to get dry. So what to do is wear cotton pants, trousers, ankle length plazos which will not take so much time to get dry. Do not wear leather. Well, leather is a thing we should completely avoid and keep it inside in monsoon season because it easily catches fungus and also come apart from its inner fabric due to presence of moisture in the atmosphere. So what to do is wear cotton shrugs in place of leather jackets and also try to avoid your leather shoes, boots, belts, bags, etc. Do not wear so much of makeup. See, we can't follow the same makeup routine in monsoon too because the presence of moisture in the atmosphere or the rain will completely ruin our makeup and make it runny. So what to do is apply a light layer of makeup. And let me show you a quick monsoon makeup routine. Moisturize your skin perfectly. Then apply lightweight foundation or CC cream. Here I am using CC cream because it is light and long lasting too. Guys, don't use kajal or any eyebrow pencil. So use some waterproof mascara for eyebrows and lashes. Here I am using compact to set my makeup. Now I will use my matte lipstick as a blusher so that it will stay for long. Now using Maybelline waterproof liner to define my eyes. If you want to make your eyes look more vibrant, then use some pop color eyeshadow in the inner corner of your eyes. Now I will complete this look with a matte lipstick. I know it's quite simple, but trust me, it will be best for this weather. Avoid layering of clothes. On getting wet, layering will be very heavy and very uncomfortable. So what to do is wear light clothes like cotton t-shirt which will be really comfortable and easy to dry. Avoid shoes and boots. We all know shoes take so much time to get dry. And in monsoon, it also becomes stinky. So what to do is wear flip-flop or these types of sandal which will not let the mud bounce off while walking. Say no to hair bun. In this weather, moisture rate is really high. All the moisture will lock inside your hair and make it smelly, so you will not feel fresh. So what to do is make a normal ponytail or you can use dry shampoo to make your hair look good instantly. Use perfumes and deodorants. In these days, our clothes do not get proper sunlight and due to moisture, it starts stinking. So to avoid that stink, use perfumes and deodorant. Carry a backpack. And the last thing, carry a backpack or a big sized bag so that you can take more things like umbrella, compact, comb and many more. Okay guys, that's all for now. These were some hacks and tips for monsoon season, and if you think this is helpful, then please comment below and let me know. And if you liked this video, please hit a like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. And see you soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.